Transportation by air. An airport is required for this type of transport. Now, the meaning. Transportation by air is used to move persons and goods from one place to another using aeroplane or helicopter. Now, there are passengers plane, which is used to convey passengers, and then cargo plane is also used to convey goods. All right? Now, let's look at the advantages of air transport. It has various advantages. We are beginning with one. People can reach destination very fast. It is also convenient in traveling. It is very quick over long distance. All right? It is the fastest means of transport. Among types of transportation, it is the fastest means. In air transport, longer destination can be reached very fast. Now, disadvantages. It is very expensive to maintain. Bad weather conditions are more likely to delay or halt movement. It requires highly skilled personnel to service it. Transportation by water. This type is used to move goods and passengers on national water and international water. Now, on national water, the following means are used. Engine boat is used on national water. We also have the canoe, which is normally used in villages. All right. And then we also use ferry in national water. Now, national water refers to the water within the same country. For example, moving from one village to another in the same country is referred to as national water. And then there is international water. All right? This is moving from one country to another using water transportation. All right? That is what we'll be discussing. We are going to see the various means used in international water. All right? Now, international water, there is ocean liner. This is used to convey large cargoes and passengers. All right? Now, the next is coastal liners. Coastal liners are smaller in size. It is used for collecting just goods. All right. And this is done in international water. The next is, like I said, coastal liners are smaller. They are used for carrying just goods. And then tramp liners, they sail searching for goods and services. This is done in international waters. Now, advantages of water transport. It has easy accessibility to most countries. That is one of the advantages. You can reach any part of the world using water transportation, okay? So it has easy accessibility to most countries. And then secondly, it is very suitable for heavy and bulky goods. When you use water transportation system to carry it, it's easy and safe. It is the cheapest mode of transport. Anybody can afford this type of transportation. It is the cheapest. And then disadvantage. It has a lot of disadvantages, but I'm going to mention few in this lesson. One, it is quite slow. Imagine using a canoe to paddle all the way. It is very, very slow. Okay? It can cause delay at the port due to shortage of labor. All right? There could be delay because of a shortage of labor. All right? And then the next disadvantage is that apart from the delay, there are risks of deterioration due to salt water. As you can see, some are already decaying, looking rusty because of salt in water. All right? These are some of the disadvantages. Now, transportation by pipeline. This type of transportation is basically used for conveying liquid products, not human. It is used to convey liquid products. All right? It is basically used within the same country. All right? Now, like petrol. All right? Now, advantages of pipeline transportation. Okay? One, a continuous flow of the product is more guaranteed. All right? It's not easily prone to accident. Once they are built, they cost very little to use since it requires little or no maintenance. All right? Now, as you can see, once it is installed, it's installed. And so it has more benefit. It is not prone to accident. Okay? Now, the disadvantages. One, installation cost is high as they are placed on the ground, and it's for long-term use. As you can see, the installation here is very, very expensive. It's kind of high. As you can see, they are placed on the ground. Okay? But it is prone, secondly, it is prone to vandalization by criminals. Right? This is the most disadvantage. It is prone to vandalization by criminals. Okay? And then, you see, it can be vandalized. No security, so it is easily prone to vandalization by criminals. And thirdly, it is limited in use when you consider the type of product which can be carried. Okay? So these are the disadvantages. Now we are going to look at terms associated with transportation. One, consignment. Consignment refers to goods to be transported. Remember, when you are traveling, you go along with goods. These goods are referred to as consignment. Okay? And the next is consignee. Consignee refers to the persons or organization to whom a good is sent. All right? And then the consigner is a person or organization sending the goods. I hope you are following. Then the next, manifest is a document usually prepared by the captain of a ship or airline showing names of people on board. All right? It is referred to as manifest. This is prepared by the captain showing the name of people on board. And then demurrage is a penalty assessed against the owner of a chartered ship on failure to load or discharge the ship within the time agreed, usually over 48 hours. All right? This will bring us to the end of this lesson. Please provide answers to your questions. I will see you next class. Please, like I always say, stay safe.